Hi there, this is Laura with Mom Envy, and I'm here today to show you how to print and cut stickers from Mom Envy with your Silhouette machine. For today's example, I'm going to be using my set of St. Patrick's Day stickers. The first thing you're going to do is download the Silhouette files from Mom Envy. Now, I have also included JPEGs, PDFs, and other file types, but for those of you who use a Silhouette, just go ahead and use the Silhouette file because it is the easiest and because I'll show you a really cool trick with it too. And go up to File, Open, and I'm going to find one of my Silhouette cut files. You need to find it wherever you have it saved on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and do this first one here. As you can see, I've already set it up with your cut lines. It's already sized correctly. The only thing you might need to change is if you're using the longer 24-inch mat, then you want to change it to that. But otherwise, you're good to go. By choosing to use the Silhouette file instead of the PDF or the JPEG file, you can see my favorite trick is that all these stickers are individual, which means you can pick and choose which stickers you would actually like to print and use. So as you can see, you can move the stickers off. So if you have any stickers that you are not going to use, go ahead and delete them. If you need multiple to-do lists, then go ahead and copy and paste and you can add extras. As long as you are within the red lines here, it will cut no problem. So you can open up every single document that I have for the St. Patrick's Day stickers and pick and choose which ones you actually want to use. This is going to not be the case if you're using the JPEG file or the PDF file. This is why you want to use the Silhouette file versus the other file types, because then you can make this sticker sheet be exactly as you want it for your needs. Now that we have it open, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it as it is, the first thing you need to do is print it. So we will go up here to File, go down to Print, and then as you can see, it shows us a preview of what it will look like, and you'll go ahead and click Print. So I'm going to go ahead and print this sticker set, and then I will be back to show you the next steps. You're going to make sure that you have put your sticker paper in the very top left-hand corner of your mat. As you can tell, it is time to clean my mat because I had to put some tape on. And that's, as a Silhouette user, you know when it's time to clean your mat when you got to start using tape. So you're going to take your mat and you're going to load it into the machine. Make sure it's right there up against the blue line. I'll click load. Okay, so now I've loaded my mat into my machine and I will show you the next step on the computer. Your sticker paper printed and it's on your mat and loaded into your machine. Let me show you what your next step is. So you're going to go up here to the right-hand corner where it says send. We'll click that and it'll bring up our dialog box for sending it to the actual Silhouette machine. You need to choose the material that is correct for you. Now I am using Online Labels sticker paper. It's a basic matte white paper. And I know that for me, the standard sticker paper, white, works. This may take a little bit of trial and error for you to figure out what works best with the type of sticker paper that you're using in your machine. Every machine is different. So I'm using a ratchet blade today, so I'm going to go up here to my tool and choose ratchet. If you're using an auto blade, that's great. It automatically sets to auto blade, but if you're using a ratchet blade, make sure you've actually taken your blade and turned it to whatever you need. And so in this case, I need to use a 2, and so I've made sure that my blade is actually set to a 2. So now that I have my sticker sheet ready to go in my machine, all you're going to do is hit send. I'm going to go ahead and let this cut, and then I will get back to you. Okay, once it is done cutting, you're going to click unload on your machine. Now really quick, I wanted to show you a quick difference as to why I continue to choose the Silhouette over the Cricut. For those of you that were debating, let me just show you really quick. This is how many stickers I was able to cut on a Cricut using print and cut. This versus an entire sheet. And this is due to the restrictions of the print and cut feature on the Cricut. So if you're wondering if you made the right choice, you did. Okay, so I'm going to remove my sticker sheet from my mat. And then as you can see, I now have perfectly cut stickers.